Hey guys, I'm Nisha Homi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a no oven, no cheese, no yeast stuffed whole wheat veg pizza. This atta pizza has an Indian flavor and can be easily made on the tawa, a perfect meal for lunch or as an early dinner for the whole family. No oven or yeast or cheese is required to make this stuffed pizza with whole wheat flour. So let's get started with the recipe. Into a bowl, add in 1 cup whole wheat flour, half teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon pink Himalayan salt and mix lightly. So basically what I'm doing is I'm making a self-raising flour. Now if you have self-raising flour at hand, you can skip this process and proceed to the next step. Add in 3 tablespoons thick curd or yogurt. Make sure there is no water in the curd. Squeeze in half a lemon and mix lightly so that the whole wheat flour is incorporated with the curd or yogurt. Add in 2 tablespoons curd and knead it into a dough. Once the dough is gathered, add in half teaspoon desi ghee and knead well to a soft dough. Knead for about 2 minutes and cover and let it rest for about 15 to 20 minutes or until we get the stuffings ready. For the stuffing, let's make a quick pizza sauce. And for that, I'm using 3 medium-sized tomatoes which I have chopped and added to my small chutney grinder. Add in half teaspoon pink Himalayan salt or as needed and blend to make tomato puree. Heat a pan, add in 1.5 tablespoon wood-pressed groundnut oil or any locally sourced unrefined oil of your choice. Once the oil is heated, add in 7 to 8 chopped garlic cloves and on low flame lightly fry it until it starts to turn light golden brown. Add in 1 teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder. Stir so that it quickly gets roasted in the oil and the raw flavor is diminished. Add in the tomato puree and mix well. Once it comes to a boil, reduce the flame to medium and let it simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes. Make sure you stir well in between. Once the puree starts to get thick, add in 1 teaspoon jaggery powder. The jaggery powder will help to balance the flavors. Next, add in 3/4 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper powder. Now, if you're making this for children, reduce black pepper powder and Kashmiri chili powder by half. Mix well and once the tomato puree has thickened, add in 1 capsicum which I have finely chopped, 100 grams of crumbled paneer and give this a mix. Since it's locked down, I ran out of Italian herbs, hence I'm not using any. But if you have oregano and rosemary, you can add them. Now mix all this really well and once it has thickened, turn off the flame. Allow it to cool completely. The dough has rested well and has become really soft. So I'm lightly kneading it a couple of times and then I'm dividing the dough into 2 equal sized portions. Dust some wheat flour and roll out into a circle. The rolled out dough should be slightly thicker than roti. Once rolled out, place 2 to 2.5 tablespoons of the cooled filling in the center, that is on one half of the rolled out roti. Then fold the other half over. Press down with your fingers to seal the ends and use a fork to press down and make some indentions. Now with the fork, make some holes on top and the pizza roti is ready to bake. If you are baking this in an oven, bake it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 18 to 20 minutes or until done. Today I am baking them on my tawa. I have already heated my cast iron tawa and I am greasing it just the way I would grease it before making dosha. Place the roti pizza on the tawa, reduce the flame to the lowest, cover and let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. After about 3 minutes, carefully flip it over. Cover again and cook for another 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, flip it over again and make sure the sides are well cooked. So lightly press down the spatula. The sides can be cooked thoroughly this way and once all the sides are cooked well, remove from the tawa. Note that I am using a cast iron tawa which retains more heat. Once it is done, slice and enjoy the pizza. Kids and the whole family will enjoy this super easy and healthy pizza. So guys, do try this whole wheat roti pizza and don't forget to send me pictures on Facebook and on Instagram. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video with family and friends. Stay safe, everyone. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.